Hey everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Netflix Party so you can watch movies and shows with your friends online. So first, what you're going to do is look into Netflix Party on Google and click the first link, which is netflixparty.com. And right here you can see you can get Netflix Party for free. The setup's fairly straightforward. It takes you to the Netflix Party Google Chrome app, and you add it to Chrome quickly, add extension, and it will take you right to Netflix Party right here. As you can see in the top right corner here, Netflix Party has been installed, so let's close the other tabs and go to Netflix. Then you can just pick your show, or movie, or whatever you want to watch. And before you start it, you click on Netflix Party and start the party. It'll give you a link here that you can send to one of your friends to create the chat room. So I'm going to copy this here and send it to one of my friends. And you'll see that they'll be in the chat room in a second. Now you can see that B Rando has joined the chat and he said hello. Say hi, how are you? And you can see that he actually paused the video here. And yeah, fairly straightforward, easy setup, pretty self-explanatory. Comment if there's any problems that you incur and we'll try to walk you through it. Thanks. See you in the next one.